So here it's the flap of the pocket that I am sewing on both sides. Later, I will take it to the iron board. Piece that is ready. So here we have both of these squares that we need to sew together. Those fade out pins, the one that goes away with the iron, it's ideal. Have a neat project. So we are going to pin all of the four squares so that they match together. Start sewing from one side, and I reduce the step stitch to two. I don't do back stitch at this point. Here, this is one more little trick that I have. Like if the stitch is far and if I make one full roll, if I want to make it half of that step, I hold this one halfway where I'm happy with. Like I don't pull it all the way down, it's just halfway I want. And then we make the turn, and we want to make sure we finish back stitch again. Here, I will put halfway of the previous stitch. That's enough. For the back stitch, we don't do any back stitches. When the two stitches overlap, they will hold strong enough. So this is where we sew both the squares together. We are going to cut so we are going to cut right in the middle. I think I left. Yes, it will. Yeah, good question. So, um, this is the right side of the fabric. This one that you see is the wrong side. The right sides face each other. Here we are going to cut both layers this time. you cut very precise and cut it all the way to the corner. Here you don't cut the thread, but you need to be very close to the stitch. This one, yes, this one. Okay, so we had it cut like this. Press all these things toward the inside and make a window. And here we are going to flip this one as well and press it. Your finger behind, make a sharp end. Iron board and press these. So now we have this ready pressed and all nice. Here we need to double check something. If our pocket is matching the entry of pocket, like the flap matches that one, it shouldn't be too much smaller. Like we made on the pattern, this one 12.75 and this one is 13. That's why we made this smaller. So you just here and make sure it is base. At the top. The parts that I am pinning is the seam allowances that we cut for the pocket entry and the flap piece. This point is like that. So just here, my previous stitch. Right on the previous stitch, back stitch. At this point, you put this one inside. We need to always do this, and then this stitch will be removed at the time that it goes to the store or when it's fully finished and you starting starts from right to left. Right to left. You want to make a zigzag here. I started from the left, I go to the right, section of the needle that goes right to left. It holds the welts to each other. When you go to press, do the fittings and everything, doesn't lose the shape. Holds the pieces together. So the sample that you're making is the width is 2 centimeters, first practice this. When you get a hand over this one, then check it. That's a stitch. Okay, so we go to sew pocket, the back of the pocket. Before we sew those pieces, we need to put 3 other stitches. So face up. First, we put 2 stitches here to hold on to the triangles. All those pieces together. I highly recommend, guys, right away, right there, cut the threads. Don't leave it for later. Stitch will help you to have really good sides, like it will give you one last stitch. So now we did 3 stitches sides and one that holds onto the flap. Now we need to do the one that is for the bottom to hold onto all of the layers. Then now we are ready to attach the back of the pocket. So at this point, we are going to sew one of the layers, and one of the layers will go to the bottom. Sorry, the other edge will go to the bottom. I will start sewing it from the bottom. Now, this is the flap. Put it aside. And from the face, like the end of the pocket is facing the other way. When you're sewing this one, like for the pocket, you can right sides together. Sew these 2 layers together. Sew all the way. Okay. So this is now how it's pocket opens. Now I'm going to put the other end on top of this. sew those seam allowances together. Here. You sure? So it's recorded. It's all recorded. But again, for the back of the pocket, you can come back to class and I will show you. But the rest you can do it. Just last two stitches, guys. Stay focused. Last two stitches are here. One on this side and one on the other side. We are going to alongside that stitch that we have. We are going to sew all the way down. Same thing on the other side. Yes, so I ran out of the bobbin. Okay.
Oh no!
So guys, here just these two sides of the pocket needs to be serged at the end. Okay. This is what we need up to this point.